In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for task management. If you've been searching for a versatile tool that can adapt to your project needs, organize your tasks, and boost your productivity, then you're in the right place. Notion is an incredible workspace app, and today we'll walk you through setting up your very own task manager. First things first, let's open up Notion. If you're new to Notion, you can find it at their website and log in or sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, the fun begins. We'll start by creating a new page. You can do this by navigating to the left sidebar and clicking on the Add a Page button. This will bring up a new page where you'll have an empty canvas to work on for your task management system. After you've created your new page, it's time to give it a fitting name. Let's call it Task Manager. Naming your page is crucial as it keeps your workspace organized and easily identifiable. Now, let's start building our task management system. Click on the plus icon. You'll find this at the top of your new page. From here, you'll be able to choose the type of database that best suits your needs. For task management, a table view is generally a great place to start because it allows you to structure and sort your tasks efficiently. Next, you'll want to set up your core columns to establish your task database. Think of these columns as the key details you'll need for each task. Common choices include columns for task name, due date, priority, status, and any other specific information you need to track. Adjust these columns to fit how you track tasks. The more specific your columns, the better the organization. Once your columns are set, you'll want to create views of your task list that fit how you like to work. Notion allows you to customize your workspace to match your preferences. Maybe a Kanban board or a simple list view works for you. The choice is yours. Adding different views can really enhance how you interact with your tasks on a daily basis. Adding a calendar view is another excellent feature that Notion offers. This is especially helpful for visualizing when tasks are due. You can easily drag tasks to different dates in the calendar view, which will update the due dates in your table automatically. To add a new task, just click on the New button, usually found at the top corner of your table or list. This opens a blank task entry where you can fill in all the necessary details, like setting a due date or assigning it a priority. Lastly, you can customize how your tasks look by modifying the colors. Head over to Settings and look for Conditional Color options. This feature allows you to set up rules for colors, making it easy to differentiate tasks based on priority or status at a glance. By following these steps, you'll have a robust task management system in place that helps you keep track of everything accurately. Thanks for joining us today on this Notion tutorial. Happy task managing!